In this video, we'll solve fractional equations. I'm going to show you how to solve in two different ways. First, I'm going to add the fractions as it is. Since they are unlike fractions, we have to change the fractions that have same denominator. So, I'm going to find out the least common multiples of 2 and 3. 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. Multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9. So 6 is common multiples. So we're going to have a new denominator, which is 6. So you have to multiply by 3 to get 6. Second fraction, you multiply by 2. So we're going to rewrite 3x over 6 plus 2x over 6 equals 5. Now we just add the numerators since we have the same denominator. So 5x over 6 equals 5. You do cross multiply. 5 is 5 over 1. So 5x equals 5 times 6. So 30 divided by 5 is 6. Number 2, x over 2 plus 2x over 5 equals 2. Same thing, find the LCM of 2 and 5. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 5, 10, 15. Okay, so LCM is 10. So new denominator is 10. You have to multiply by 5 to get 10. Second fraction, you multiply by 2. So we're going to rewrite 5x over 10 plus 4x over 10 equals 2. We have the same denominator, so you just add the top. 9x over 10 equals 2. 2 is a 2 over 1. You do cross multiply. 9x equals 20. X equals 20 divided by 9. 20 over 9. Next one. 3. X over 6 plus 2x over 3 equals 5. Same thing. LCM of 6 and 3. 3, 6, 9. 6, 12. Okay, so LCM is 6. So the first one, we have 6 already. So you just multiply by 1. The second, 3 times 2. So x over 6 stay the same. 4x over 6 equals 5. Now you just add the top. X plus 5, 4x is 5x over 6 equals 5. You do cross multiply. 5x equals 30. X equals to 6. Okay, now we're going to do in different ways. X over 2 plus x over 3 equals 5. We're going to multiply the least common denominator, the whole problems. Okay, so LCM is 6. So we're going to multiply 6 left-hand side and right-hand side. So you distribute 6 times x over 2. The first one will be 3x. The second fraction, 6 times x over 3 is 2x. So plus 2x equals 30. Okay, so we get rid of denominator part. So 5x equals 30. So x equals 6. Next one. X over 2. 2x over 5 equals 2. The least common denominator or multiples is 10. So you multiply 10 by the left-hand side and right-hand side. 10 times x over 2 is 5x. 10 times 2x over 5 is cancel out, and 4x equals 20. So 9x equals 20. x equals 20 over 9. Next one, x over 6 plus 2x over 3 equals 5. Same thing, we find the least common denominator, which is 6. So we multiply 6 left-hand side and right-hand side. So the first one, x, and the second, 6 times 2x over 3 will be 4x equals 30. So 5x equals 30, and x is 30 over 5, which is 6. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.